leave you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love.
Beat it up,
Kisses
Hey, it's Adia Monet and I'm back with another video. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and turn on post notifications so you can be notified of my next post. So in today's video, I'll be doing a hairstyle I saw on Instagram. It's a rubber band hairstyle, really cute, could do it with a bun or a ponytail. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the things you'll need is some braiding butter, a rat tail comb, some rubber bands of course, and a brush. I'm starting off by taking out all these braids and putting a little bit of oil on my fingertips to unravel them. Now I'm gonna get my paddle brush and just detangle each section so it can be ready for me to work with. Now that my hair is all combed out, I'm going to take my rat tail comb and part my hair straight across. And I'm brushing it up so that I can do the parts later on. Then I'm just going to part my hair straight down the middle. Instead of having to go back and make all these sections, I'm doing it in advance and then twisting the section down so it can be out of the way. Now that I have all the sections done, I'm going to start off with the first one, and I'm also going to part these in advance by making 3 boxes and twisting them down. So instead of using edge control, I'm using braiding butter to make sure that the section is still slick and neat looking. Then I'm going to secure the section with a rubber band and make sure to not tie it too tight. And just repeat that process for all of the boxes. After I made all my sections, I'm going to connect the first one to the second one and the second one to the third one. And to do that, I'm just twisting my hair, a single twist, and securing it with another rubber band. See, and that's how it's supposed to look. And I'm just going to repeat this all over my head. So if you see me using the brush all the time, it's just to make sure that the section is extra smooth. Now that the right side is done, I'm going to do the left side off camera. So this is the front of my hair finished, and now we're going to get into the back of my hair. Here, I'm just putting my hair in sections so that I can detangle the back of my hair. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to brush my hair upwards in each section to form the ponytail. Because, you know, it's easier that way instead of brushing your whole hair up, if that makes sense. So that's why I'm doing that. To better explain, it just helps with less lumpiness in your ponytail. Now that all of my hair is detangled, I'm just going over it as a whole and brushing it up so that I can form the mold of the ponytail. Then I'm gonna get my spray bottle and spray the back of my hair. And I'm using my soft brush to smooth it up, and then you'll see me use my hard brush to further smooth it. Now I'm taking my edge control and putting it on the back of my hair so that I can slick it upwards. Then I'm going in with my hard and soft brush again to make sure it is as slick as possible. And now I'm just securing the ponytail with a hair tie. Next, I'm going to brush my baby hairs out and do my edges. So I'm using a new edge control for my edges, the 24-hour edge tamer, and I really like it. It's kind of better than edge booster, so I think I'm gonna keep using it. And now I'm finished. You guys know I had to put the earrings in. It had to be extra, but it came out really cute. I like it. My puff is looking real cute, real big. I honestly wish I could have did a bun like the girl had in the picture, but it wasn't coming out right on me. But that's all for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it and also think this style is cute. Let me know of any other styles you would like for me to try in the comments down below. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you can be notified of my next post, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys.